What is delirium tremens? So delirium tremens is a medical syndrome that is something that will occur for people when they are in alcohol withdrawal, and usually it will occur between 4 and 6 hours after the last drink in someone who's been drinking heavily for a long period of time. Delirium tremens includes things like physical shaking of the body, confusion, memory loss, and oftentimes will result in somebody wanting to drink more alcohol so that they can kind of calm their internal system. If you are experiencing delirium tremens, it can certainly go on for anywhere from 2 to 5 days is when the symptoms can peak, and it can take over a week before the symptoms start to subside, and they're very unpleasant. So the best course of action would be to seek treatment.